Welcome back to Design Furniture. If you've ever been curious about how custom furniture is designed and built, you're in the right place. Today, we're giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look into how we create one-of-a-kind furniture pieces for our clients right here in Dubai. From concept to installation, let's dive into the process that brings your dream furniture to life. Step 1. Consultation and conceptualization. It all begins with your vision. Our custom furniture process is designed around you and your unique style. During the consultation, whether online or at our showroom, we take the time to understand your specific needs, design preferences, and the function of the furniture in your space. Step 2. Design and visualization. After understanding your vision, we move on to the design phase. Our talented design team uses advanced 3D modeling software to create a visual representation of your piece. You'll be able to see the design from every angle, and together, we make any necessary tweaks to ensure it fits seamlessly into your space. This step ensures you're confident with the design before we begin crafting. Step 3. Material selection. It's time to select materials. At Design Furniture, we offer an array of high-quality options, from solid hardwoods to premium fabrics. Whether you prefer the oak or the softness of velvet, we guide you in choosing materials that not only match your aesthetic but are also durable and functional for everyday use. Step 4. Craftsmanship and build. Once everything is finalized, our expert craftsmen take over. This is where the magic happens. Using a combination of traditional woodworking techniques and cutting-edge technology, our team brings the design to life with precision and attention to detail. Every curve and finish is carefully crafted to ensure the highest quality. Step 5. Finishing touches and installation. Before delivery, we complete the final touches, such as custom staining or upholstery, to give your piece its polished look. Once everything is perfect, we arrange for delivery and installation. Our professional team makes sure your new furniture fits perfectly into your space. That's a wrap on our custom furniture process. At Design Furniture, we're passionate about transforming your ideas into stunning, functional pieces. If you're ready to bring your vision to life, visit our website at designfurniture.ae to explore our collections or book a consultation today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into creating beautiful custom furniture for your home.